let me show you how we can factory reset your POCO M8 Pro. So the first thing that you can do is you can go to settings. Then over here we should be able to find the about phone. And if you scroll down, we can find factory reset. This is the first method that allows you to erase everything on your phone. Over here we also have the summary, of course, and you can create a backup, of course, in order to make sure that you don't lose anything important. And even if you confirm that you want to erase all data, your phone can still ask you if you want to make a backup. So if needed, you can perform it over here, but if ready, just use the factory reset button and then follow the rest of the instructions. Over here, you will need to tap on the next twice in order to confirm. Now, in case you want to perform a factory reset wirelessly, I guess, or without your phone, you can actually do so by using the Find Hub. Of course, Find Hub must be enabled in order to be able to do so. So if we go to the fingerprints, face data, and screen lock, then over here we can go to the privacy, and then we have the Find Hub. And it should be enabled to be able to, of course, use the Find Hub. Once it is enabled, you can open the browser, and then here we can go to google.com/android/find, and of course make sure that you are using the same account that you use on your phone, so that you can actually find your phone on this list of your devices. And of course you should be able to select your phone in here, and then after that we have the factory reset device option, which we can use to erase the data on our phone. And besides that, we can also perform a factory reset by going to the recovery mode. So if you want to go to the recovery mode, first of all, we need to restart our phone. So I'm going to use the power button and volume up button at the same time. And then we're going to slide down in here to reboot. Once you start rebooting, press and hold volume up. And now you need to keep holding volume up all the time until you open the recovery mode. So even if you see the POCO logo, you still want to hold volume up. And after a couple of seconds, we should be able to open the recovery mode. There we go. Now in here, in this menu, we navigate by using volume buttons. So of course you want to make sure that wipe data option is selected and then confirm by pressing the power button. Then over here, once again confirm by choosing wipe all data and press power button. In case you go back to the main menu of the recovery mode, you just have to reboot your phone afterwards once you are done with the hard reset. So just press the power button and then confirm by choosing reboot the system again. And that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.